Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making an easy Instant Pot stew. Now, all we're going to need for this recipe is, of course, our Instant Pot, but you can also do this on the stove top or in the slow cooker. It's just going to take a little bit more time. We're also going to be using a dry spice mix of 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and then half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper, depending on how spicy you like it. We're also going to be using 8 ounces of mushrooms. I'm using some oyster mushrooms that I picked up at a local store. Any mushroom will work. We're also going to be using 3 corn on the cobs, and you can also just use 2 cups of frozen corn. We're also going to be using 1 onion, 6 red potatoes, and 4 large carrots. Now I'm going to bring you guys in here. We're going to get things cut up, chopped up, and then we're going to put it in the Instant Pot. All right, really to get started, all we're gonna need to do is chop up our veg. And so I'm gonna get started and get working on it here. And I will let you know when I'm done. You'll see me getting to work on it here. All right, guys, I got everything chopped up. The veg is all chopped up. I'm gonna get the Instant Pot brought over here and we're gonna get it loaded up. All right, we've got our Instant Pot over here. I did forget to mention, we are also gonna be using 1 cup of water. So 1 cup of water. I'm gonna put that on in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna add my spice mix. And then we're gonna go ahead and just load up the Instant Pot. All right. We're just gonna set this on the pressure cook setting for 20 minutes, and we will be back when that is done. All right, I just got done quick releasing the Instant Pot. We're gonna open it up and see how it looks. Oh, that smells fantastic. Looks like everything has been cooked perfectly. I just like to go in, make sure I give everything a good stir. But man, I am ready to dig in. I'm gonna get the kitchen tidied up here, and then I'm gonna get myself a bowl, and I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, I got the kitchen tidied up. It smells fantastic in here. I hope you guys saw how easy this Instant Pot veggie stew can be. It's very interchangeable. You wanna take a little bit of the peas, or you wanna put some peas in, you wanna take some of the carrots out, or put some more corn in, anything you wanna do, it goes great in here. This is just a base recipe that I love using. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. That is fantastic. The carrots are cooked through perfectly. The mushrooms give it a really nice meatiness. This is just, this is something I cook when we have big family get-togethers. We go over to friends' houses and they ask us to bring something. This is just a real good, hearty meal that really vegetarian, vegan, non-vegan, anybody is gonna really enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button on Facebook, or the subscribe button on YouTube with that little bell, and the like button on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I will see you guys very soon.